Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at M.Kumarasamy College of Engineering. If you're getting ready for the TNEA 2026 admissions, this college in Karur is definitely one you should have on your radar. So let's start with the most important detail for your application. The TNEA Code is 2608.
So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with what matters most, the outcomes, or what we're calling the MKCE advantage. Then we'll dive into the degrees you can study, the official accreditations that prove its quality, and the story behind the college. We'll also cover campus life, and finally, wrap it all up to help you make an informed decision.
All right, let's get straight to it. For any student or parent, the big question is always, what happens after 4 years? What are the outcomes? What's the real advantage of studying here?
Let's start with a headline number that gets everyone's attention. For the batch that graduated in 2023, the highest salary package offered to a student was a very impressive 26 lakhs per annum. That really shows you the kind of potential we're talking about.
Okay, but what about the overall picture? It's one thing to have a high salary, but how many students actually get placed? Well, according to the official data for TNEA 2025, the college reports a placement rate of 98%.
Now, when you look at the companies that come here for recruitment, you see a really strong and healthy mix. Of course, you've got the big IT giants like TCS and Wipro, but what's really great to see are top product companies like Amazon and Zoho, and importantly for engineers, core companies like Renault Nissan and TVS. That kind of diversity is a fantastic sign.
You know, strong placement numbers like these are often backed up by national rankings, and that's exactly what we see here. In the official Government of India's NIRF rankings, MKCE falls in the 201 to 300 band for engineering. Other surveys also consistently place it among the top private colleges, both in Tamil Nadu and across the South Zone.
So, with those outcomes in mind, what specific engineering degrees can you actually get here? Let's take a look at the programs they have on offer.
The college has a pretty large intake across its different programs. You'll notice that core branches like ECE have 300 seats, while popular choices like computer science and AI and data science each have 180. All in all, with 11 branches to choose from, there's a good range of options available.
And this is a really crucial point for anyone joining today. The college is clearly keeping up with what the industry wants. Since 2020, they've introduced 5 new high-demand programs. We're talking about specializations in AI, VLSI, and cybersecurity. This is a big sign that their curriculum is modern and forward-looking.
All right, let's talk about the official stamps of approval. For any parent making a big investment in education, these government accreditations are, well, they're the foundation of trust.
First off, MKCE is an autonomous institution, and it has been since 2011. Now, what does that mean for you? It means that even though it's affiliated to Andy University, the college has the freedom to design its own syllabus, conduct its own exams, and basically be much quicker to adapt to what the industry needs. The college also holds an A grade from NAAC, which is the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. This is a big deal because it comes after a really thorough quality check of the entire institution, and this A grade is valid all the way through January 2027. Now, while NAAC looks at the whole college, the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, goes one level deeper and evaluates individual programs. And as you can see here, 6 of MKCE's core engineering programs have earned this accreditation. This is an absolutely crucial sign of quality right at the department level.
You know, every college has a story, and understanding why it was started in the first place helps us understand what it stands for today.
The college was founded by Thiru M.Kumarasamy, and his mission was crystal clear. He wanted to bring quality engineering education to students from rural areas around Karur, make it affordable, and directly help them get good jobs.
And this vision has really shaped the college's journey. It was started in the year 2000, hit a major milestone in 2011 by becoming autonomous, and more recently in 2022, it was upgraded to a NAAC A grade. It's a clear story of steady improvement over more than 2 decades.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the practical side of things. What's student life like? What kind of facilities and support can you expect on the MKCE campus?
Well, the college has all the essentials covered right there on campus. We're talking separate hostels for boys and girls, a mess that serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, and a whole fleet of buses for students commuting from Karur and the surrounding areas. Things like banking and sports facilities are also available.
And to back up that founding mission of affordability, students can access a number of financial aid schemes. This includes government scholarships from Tamil Nadu for SC, ST, BC, and MBC communities, and also national-level schemes from AICTE that are specifically for girl students and for differently abled students.
So finally, let's bring it all together. What are the key distinctions that really make this college stand out? What are the achievements that showcase the quality of learning and innovation here?
The students and the college have a really strong track record in national-level competitions. For instance, they won first prize in the Smart India Hackathon and also secured a major grant in the MSME Idea Hackathon. The institution has also been recognized for its innovation culture by the Ministry of Education and for digital learning by QS iGouge.
And this goes beyond just competitions. There's a real, tangible focus on research here. The college has an incubation center supported by MSME, and just look at the numbers. In 2023 alone, 133 patents were published, and they secured nearly 50 lakhs in research grants. This is all backed by formal partnerships with big companies like TCS, Wipro, and IBM.
Just to be clear, all the information we've presented in this explainer has been carefully put together from the college's official website and cross-checked with trusted government portals like TNEA and NBA as of March 2026. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.